Hello, welcome to Crafts and Kitchen. Today I am going to make snacks without oil. So for that, into a frying pan or a skillet, take some salt and heat the salt on medium flame. First we'll see how to make papad. Once the salt is hot, add papad. Even masala papad can be done the same way. The papad will fluff up by itself. Make sure that it is roasted completely and then take it off and shake off the excess salt, and the papad is done. Now let's see how to make the cornflakes. For that, add cornflakes into salt and roast them until they are done. Once they are done, take them into a strainer, shake off the excess salt, and the cornflakes are ready. Now let's see how to roast the nuts. You can roast cashew nuts, peanuts, almonds, pistachios, etc. Here I'm using cashew nuts. Roast them until they are light brown in color. Take them into a strainer when they are done and shake off the excess salt. And the roasted nuts are ready. Now let's see how to make the fryums in salt. For that, add fryums into salt. And once they puff up, take them off into a strainer and shake off the excess salt, and they are done. You can pretty much make any fryums made of rice flour or all-purpose flour this way. Now let's see how they turned out. Once the salt cools down, store it and reuse it. Store them in airtight containers and they will stay good for 3 to 4 days. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell icon. See you in my next video. Until then, keep watching my other videos.